Steve England with File on Q, and I'm going to be showing you how you can use RFID tags in your quartermaster application to keep track of who's checking things out of the quartermaster office. So I have an ID badge that indicates that I'm Steve England, and then I'm also taking some items here, and they all have their RFID tags on them. And we have a beacon here that would be at the doorway of the quartermaster office, and as I walk through with the items that I'm taking, it will read those items, and then I'm able to, in the software, know that those items were taken by Steve England. It's automatically indicating that those items were removed, and on this date and time, Steve England took these items. So all of these items, the handcuffs, the firearm, the taser, and the bulletproof vest, are all now checked out to me. It works the same way if I was to walk back in to return these. Again, I would pass through the beacon. The beacon would say, I'm coming back into the office, quartermaster office, and these now would be checked back into the quartermaster office, all done through the RFID tags and my badge that indicates who I am.